How to add music to Windows Media Player library. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then search for Windows Media Player. Open the application. Now go to the music section. Since you can see there is this text that says we could not find any music because your music library does not contain any music content. Now if you want to add music, go to add folder, and from here if you have downloaded any kind of music in your device, find it, locate it, and then simply go to add this folder to music and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.